Whether you want a side hustle to earn an extra income online or you want to earn a full-time income online, it is definitely possible because there are so many ways that you can make money online. Hello online money makers, my name is Atricia and I'm an online freelancer and entrepreneur, and in today's video I will be sharing with you 5 ways that you can make money online in 2022. If you're ready for this very educational and beneficial video, then keep on watching. Now, the first way that you can make money online in 2022 is through freelancing. And who is a freelancer? A freelancer is someone who offers their skills such as data entry, video editing, graphics design, and so much more as a service to clients globally, and of course gets paid to do so. There are many websites that hire freelancers globally to work for clients, or they give freelancers the opportunity to list their services on their websites to get exposed to clients globally and possibly get hired. One of the pros of being a freelancer is that you get to negotiate your rate with clients and charge based on projects, based on delivery time, based on the client's budget, and of course based on what other freelancers are charging on the platform, because of course you don't want to be charging too high or too low. In my next video, I will provide some freelancing sites that you can list their services on and get paid. So ensure that you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, so once I upload the next video, you will be the first to be notified. The next way that you can make money online is through print on demand. So as the term suggests, products are printed on once there is a need or once someone places an order. There are websites that will allow you to upload your designs on their products such as mugs, shirts, hats, bags, and so many more, and once someone places an order, they print the design on the products, packages it, and ships it out to the customer, which means you do not have to worry about customer support, you do not have to worry about having an inventory. All you have to do is just upload the design and market the product, and once someone places an order, then they pay you a percentage or an amount based on the cost of the item. So whether you are a pro designer or a beginner, you can start a print-on-demand business because there are great websites or softwares out there that will allow you to create, whether it be a simple or an advanced designs using their websites or softwares, either for free or at a cost. A very popular website that I love to use to create design is Canva. In future videos, I will share websites that you can sign up on and start a print-on-demand business. The next way that you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. Almost every website or company has an affiliate marketing program that you can sign up for. Once you're accepted by the company to become an affiliate, you will share product links from their website, whether it be for a physical product or a digital product, to your social media platforms, and once someone clicks on the link and places an order on the website, then they pay you a commission of the cost of the item. The website normally tells you the percentage of how much you'll earn for each sale generated for them. This is a great way to earn passive income because you can just share your link, and anytime someone clicks on the link and places an order, you make a sale, whether it be you're sleeping or anytime, and you don't have to do anything else. If you're learning from this video, please ensure that you hit that like button so YouTube can recommend this video to other persons so it can benefit them as well. Now, the next way that you can earn money online in 2022 is by creating a YouTube channel. And of course, this is a very popular source of income because once you put in the work, it can be very rewarding. All you have to do is to create a YouTube channel, which is very easy to do. And if you don't know how to do so, there are many videos on this platform that provide instructions on how to create a YouTube channel. You should first decide what types of videos you'd like to create, whether it be lifestyle vlogging content, educational videos like this channel, prank videos, entertainment videos, and so much more, and then you start to film these videos and upload them to your YouTube channel. Based on YouTube's policies, you need at least 4,000 watch hours within 12 months and 1,000 subscribers in order for you to be eligible to start getting paid by YouTube. Once you reach these requirements, then you'll apply to become a part of the YouTube partnership program. Once you're accepted, then YouTube will start to place ads on your videos, and you can also go into your YouTube studio and place ads on your videos. And once the ads are watched, then YouTube will pay you a percentage of the earnings made from the ads that are watched on your videos. Starting an e-commerce store is another very popular way to make money online, especially since the pandemic, because more people have been shopping online because it's more convenient. All you have to do is decide what you want to sell, and of course do your research so you can be more knowledgeable about what people want to buy and the supplies and demands of the item. Once you've decided on what you want to sell, then you can go on a very popular website such as Alibaba and source reliable suppliers for your products. After you've sourced reliable suppliers for your products, then you can go on another very popular website such as Shopify. And what Shopify will do is to allow you to create a very functional website so you can sell your products. After you've listed your products on Shopify, of course you're going to promote your products on your social media platforms, and once someone places an order, then you would be responsible to package the item and ship the item out to the customer. Of course, you will also be responsible to provide customer support because this will be your full e-commerce business. Now, I know the title says that I will be providing 5 ways for you to make money online, but I'll be providing a bonus way for those who watch to this portion of the video. So if you've reached this far in the video, comment down below, teach English online, because that will be the 6th way that you can make money online. So you can teach English online, whether it be teaching kids or adults. There are many websites that hires English teachers from all over the world. The good thing about teaching English online is that you do not need to have a degree. However, to be more marketable, you can obtain what is called a TEFL certification, and this stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. A professional level TEFL certification will provide you with the skills and knowledge that you need to get hired to teach English online. To obtain this certification, you can register for free at the international TESOL, I pronounce it as TESOL, TEFL Academy website. However, there's a cost of $30 to take the course online, but of course you can make back this $30 within the first hour of teaching English online. Because based on my research, English teachers typically make between $10 to $40 per hour depending on their level of qualifications. If you're a first-time English teacher with a TEFL certification that I mentioned earlier, you will likely be making $10 to $20 per hour to start off. And of course, in future videos, I will be sharing websites that hires English teachers from all over the world. I hope that after watching this video, you have decided on the option that you'll be choosing to make money online, or options rather, because of course we're all about having multiple sources of income and financial freedom. I would love to chat with you in the comment section about what you think about the options that I provided. If these options aren't for you, then don't worry, because I will be uploading videos every single week of the many ways of how you can make money online. So again, ensure that you subscribe to the channel, because of course, as I said earlier, I do not want you to miss any of my uploads. So until next time, my online money makers, take care.